and that just ignites it. You can see it getting red hot in there. Hey guys, Brad here with Skyline Construction, and today's review is going to be on the Dremel Versatip 2000. This is just a little soldering kit that I really like. It runs on, let's take my gloves off here, on butane, and it's really small, as you can see, and it has all these different tips, and it's just a sweet little way to be, to do your soldering. And I use this mostly for soldering up my wires in my trailers, because I'm hooking up security systems and solar systems and backup battery, that type of stuff. So I've really enjoyed using this. It's just really nice to hold, and it's very accurate. The heat is good. So to fill it up, it's just on the back here. That's where you pump in the fuel. And then to turn it on, you flick this over, put that on lock, and that just ignites it. You can see it getting red hot in there. And then this is to adjust. It's a variable outlet of fuel. So right now we're on max. So it heats up the chamber in here, and then it'll heat up this front tip. And this is a really good tip for doing, fine soldering work. So I quite like this. And then to turn it off, you just flick that back and it's off. Just easy peasy. It comes with a little guard right here that just slips on. Okay, I'm not going to put it on right now because it's crazy hot. And then it also comes with a little soldering kit. So you've got your roll of solder here. You've got wrenches, and then you've got all these little bits. So you can turn this over and put this end on, so it's just like a torch. So then you can, melt your solder and do your wires and stuff. This is a little protection piece. And I've never had to use these like little blade bits, but for my application, which is just wire generally, I'm not into circuitry or anything, but there's all these different bits here. I couldn't even tell you what I use that for. I have no clue, to be honest, but anyone who's into other types of soldering probably knows. So yeah, I just think this is a really sweet kit for the price point. We'll leave a link down below so you can check it out. Very handy, good clean heat. Well, not clean, but it's stable, and I just really enjoy soldering with it. All right, guys, so that's my review on the Dremel Versatip 2000. Make sure you check back, because we're going to probably do a little how-to video on this. So make sure you subscribe, hit that notify bell, and leave me a little comment if you want. But until next time, keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.